Oh.
No, Clayton. Don't do it.
Don't you do hers.
Hey, Daddy.
Daddy squished it. Okay, let's there's your necklace. Right there. Forget so dogs don't get it. By the right foot. Avery, don't do that to her snowman.
Avery, no, get away. Hey, I ain't trying to push her or nothing. Yeah. I just think I'll pick me a build and him.
I am. Avery Smith. Oh, look at Mark. He's such a happy camper. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, hold on a minute.